Hi everyone, here we've got LG V50 ThinQ, and let me share with you how to enable the camera location tags on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now let's enter the settings by tapping on this icon in the left upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the tag locations option, which is right now activated. If you've got it turned off, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher right here, and of course you can turn it off the same way. So this is how it works. So actually this is everything what you have to do in the camera app, and instead of this option, we've got another two very important features. So let me show it to you. Let's unroll the top bar. And the very first thing, which is very important, is the internet connection. So you can use, for example, the Wi-Fi, you can use mobile data. It doesn't really matter. All you need is the internet connection. And now the second option, the second feature, which you really have to remember about, is the location. So make sure that you've got the location option turned on and the internet connection. Then we can go back to the camera. So let's tap on it, and after making sure that you've got the location tags in the camera turned on, the internet connection and the location, then you can take a photo. So let's tap on the shutter button and let's tap on the preview. And in order to check the location, you have to enter the details, and you can do it by tapping on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on details. And as you can see here, we've got the exact location, the exact place where this photo has been taken. So greetings from Krakow. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.